So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
We on it. What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. I mean, it's another mod for the White Dragon 392. I'm going to turn the unbox it and everything because I wanted to make sure it came undamaged and the color that I wanted this time. But y'all can see, bam, got the flash on for y'all also. Red oil catch can for the 392. And this one is by UPR. So, bam, hook these on the end like that. Hook it on here, easy. Stick these up in the holes, but I'm gonna cut it just in case. I don't want too much wires everywhere. So this and the screw you'll need right here. That goes right there, and that's it. Really, it's a simple install. So I just want to show y'all a quick unboxing. I'll probably stick the camera on top of the hood so I can actually go ahead and show y'all that I'm hooking it up and stuff like that. But so far, I really should have got this a long time ago. There's no excuse. How many oil changes, how much good oil I'm using. I should have got this a long time ago. Let this be your first mod if you get a scan pack. And you hear me, get an oil catch can, please. But this red though, it's just shining, bro. I like that. Well, but I'll be right back and I'll catch y'all in a second. We're gonna stick that baby right there. We're gonna screw it in right there, but first we need to take off this part right here. So you will need some pliers because you need to take off this whole piece right here and take off that piece. But let's see. I'm gonna stick y'all at the top so y'all can see it, right? Let me see. Let me see. That looks about right. Hopefully y'all can see it good. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. Don't. Go ahead. Take that baby out. Bam. First part done. Gonna twist this baby some more in this one. And grab this baby like that. Bam. Mission complete. Keep that. Do not throw it away. Grab the catch can. We're gonna put it down just like that. That's good right there. I like to open it just to see. Dang, this one extra. And the screw in it is a 12 millimeter socket. And I got a little spacer just in case. So. My car is still hot, so I just don't like to wait to install stuff. So usually you'll wait till it's a little bit cooled off. Right there. I don't think I need that extension. Do I? Probably. Go ahead and squeeze in enough of my hand. Hope y'all having a good day today. I'm having a good day. Baby on it, right? You will need an extension also, but let me go right here. Let's just make it back a little bit. I can actually get it tight up in there. Probably should keep that on. Anyway. Also, I got another video coming, just updating y'all about the car. That's pretty much everything I got done to it so far. Yep. Gucci. Alright, see, this one will go right there. This long one will go over here, somewhere like that. So we gotta cut it, put the thing on the end too. So then on the end is like that. Push it up in there. Just like that. So it runs off in there. And see where I want to cut it at. So probably about right here. Alright, and your boy is back with the freaking knife. But cause I want the hook straight up in there. It's not too much play. It's gonna go straight to the top like that. Y'all can see, so I'm cutting it off right there. Ooh, hit my head. This one's way too long. Hell no. Yeah, just like that. It really give you a lot, like a whole bunch of extra line. Alright, install complete. I'm gonna go ahead and push that back down there some more, put this on there again. Keep that, don't throw it away. As you can see, oil catch can installed. Shake it, move it, it's on there tight. It's on there. That's on there too. That's on there, make sure everything is tight, double check. Start, don't let it run. Here's the extra, make that little hiccup. You really didn't need it for that one. Just that one. But we could have used it really, because I could have just put it in here. most likely. But other than that, install complete, y'all. By UPR, shouting out. We'll look around here. Go ahead and take a picture of it for the thumbnail. But yeah, here we go. Install complete, JJLEE squad. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I will catch y'all later with another new video. Thank y'all for watching. Peace. Install complete. Beautiful. Beautiful.